Flowchart. A flowchart is a pictorial problem-solving tool that represents an algorithm in a diagrammatic format. Each step or operation of the algorithm is represented using different shapes containing instructions, and these shapes are connected to each other by arrows to indicate the flow of the operation. There are specific shapes for each type of operation. These have been laid down by the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. Let's take a look at some of them. This is the terminal symbol and is used to mark the beginning and end of a flowchart. This is the data symbol and is used to represent input and output operations. This process symbol is used to represent any arithmetic or data movement operation. There can be multiple statements inside this symbol. These are called flow lines and are used to represent the direction of flow of instructions, as well as to connect various symbols. This is the annotation symbol, and it is used to represent any comments made in the flowchart. It adds additional information for the reference of the reader. This is the connector symbol and is used to connect different points in the flowchart. While drawing flow lines from one point of the flowchart to the other, we may find the space insufficient. The connector symbol comes in handy at such times. Two connector symbols with the same label are considered to be connected to each other. This is the off-page connector, and it is used to represent that the flowchart is continuing to the next page. All flowchart symbols have one entry point on top. The exit point for all flowchart symbols is at the bottom, except for the decision symbol. This is the decision symbol. You can see that it has one entry point and two exit points, namely true and false. It represents a condition check. If the outcome of the condition is true, the flow continues along one path, and if the outcome is false, it continues along the other.